So today's topic is a hot topic. So today's topic is about how you can keep your iPhone cool. And it necessarily should not be the iPhone. It could be your Android phone, it could be your Apple Watch, or even the iPad. That's what I do on my iPad also. All of these tips are gonna work amazingly through all of your devices, and it's just cool, bro. I think you love all of them because I've been using all of these tricks from around 2 years, and I'm loving all of them because all of them are helping me so well. Okay, so the number one tip is, think if you are using Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and other applications and now your device is pretty warm. So what you have to do, very simple tip, very simple. Put your device over the floor. And you know, bro, I'm really crazy, and sometimes I put the device over the floor even while I'm traveling and I'm in a hotel room, and people think me crazy, and that's what I exactly do. And I don't mind people thinking anything bad about me. So the thing I care about is if my device gets warm, then it's not gonna perform well, and that hurts me. So I don't want any kind of heating on my device. So that was the tip number one. Put your device over the floor for around 3 to 5 minutes, and after that pick your device again, and you will feel the device is working seamlessly and very smooth. No problem. Tip number one completed. Tip number two, I think you already know about the water coolings on desktop sites, but you don't have any idea about water cooling on phones. But today your brother is gonna tell you what you have to do to keep your device cool with water cooling. So the next one is, if you just want to keep using the device, then you should follow the rule number 2. That's what I do when I'm playing PUBG, maybe sometime, or even Call of Duty. It depends what kind of gaming am I doing. So it is very simple. Wrap your device with a wet tissue paper. So make your tissue paper wet, wrap that tissue paper behind your iPhones, behind your iPhones, and your iPhone will be cooled down in just under 1 minute. And the water cooling is number one. It is the best effective technique to cool your device. I wish I could have nitrogen, liquid nitrogen. That would be amazing. I'll test someday when I get access to that thing. Anyway, the number 2 was, wrap your device with the wet tissue paper and keep using it, and it will be cool in under 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, that was the number 2. Number 3 is, make your hand wet. So go and wash your hand, come again. Don't rub your hand, don't clean your hand, keep your hand wet, and after that start using the device, and it will also help you to make your device, keep your device cool. And that's what I also do most of the time. When I feel that's too awkward to put my device over the floor, then I use this technique, and this is very effective, my bro. You have to understand, this is very effective. Okay, that was the number 3. Now about the final tip, and it is just very exciting. If you have a spray like me, here you can see I have a spray. It's a water spray. If you have this kind of spray, then you should use this kind of spray behind your phone's processors where it is located. You have to spray there, and just you're done. Your device will be cool in under 1 minute, and it is the most and the best effective technique I've been following like for last 2 years, and I'm doing that with my water spray, and I'm using that water spray for last 1 year. But I'm following that technique, just spilling the water like this on my device. But yeah, it's also effective. Doesn't matter if you have a spray, you can just spill the water and just throw the water with your hand. That also works, but the spray one is the best effective and the best way. I just keep my water cooling system over my backpack, and whenever I need it, I just spray that, because when it's very hot, like right now it's very hot, I'm getting wet, I can use my spray to spray the device and keep that cool, or make that cool, whatever you want to say. So those were the 4 techniques you can follow to keep your device cool. And if you found any of them, just one of them helpful, be sure to like the video, because it's very necessary to like the video. Otherwise I'll not make any videos, and no tips and tricks are coming on the channel. You know me, I'm crazy. Okay, that was just a joke. Anyway, if you found any of them helpful, be sure to sub, be sure to do whatever you want. Till then, I have to go right now because it's really hot over here, and I have to spray myself with the water because my device is cool right now, but I'm not cool right now. I have to go. Okay, goodbye.